I'm freaking out a little bit because you guys, we as the Better with Chardonnay community, we got nominated for an LTK Creator Award in the family category. Oh my gosh! There are tons of other amazing nominees within the category. I think we need to pull this one out. We need to pull this one out. We need to all be voting. Every single one of you. I see you. We need to vote so that we come out on top. Here's how you vote. You go to my LTK page within the LTK app, click on any post, and then favorite 5 items. You guys, I don't know why I'm snapping, but I feel good. I will remind you every day, don't you worry. Go vote!
Go vote!
Go vote!
Go vote!
Go vote!
Go.
Mwah!
Ma.
Mwah! Say love you.
Love you.
Love you. Go vote.
Woo.
Milk?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you pick your nose?
Yeah.
Do you eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Yay!
Can I have a kiss? Mwah.